Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune for my channel The Uni Vlogs. So I'm going to be doing a quick video on installation of the GPS mount from Zana motorcycles. So as you guys must have seen in previous videos or maybe after this, that Zana has sent a complete kit for my bike for IBW. So we have to leave tomorrow for IBW. Probably this video will roll out after IBW. So this is a crash guard installed, saddle stays, top rack type 3 with bash with a top plate, the backrest, and there's one more thing over here. It's the radiator guard. So I've installed everything. I've made some videos too. Those will also probably roll out in some time. I am not sure about the dates, but they'll be probably post IBW. So let's continue with this video first. If you're on my channel for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and do hit the bell icon so you get all updates from me. So let's first unbox what is there in this. So we've got a phone mount here, the actual phone holder. Let me show you that. It's a regular one, which you guys must have already used it in the past or seen in multiple channels. I guess there's some Dynox brand too. I've got some Chinese one also in the past. This looks similar. So this will go in the end on the mount. Okay. First let's unbox the mount and check what all stuff is there inside it. I'm not sure how I'm going to install it because I've never seen anyone install it before, and I've not seen it in person with anyone. So there's a cross rod on which the mount will come, the phone holder will come, and I see all sort of nut bolts here. Let me just open these and then continue. So these are all the stuff. This is the cross rod. These are the two plates, okay, and they're all laser cut. These are the 4 extensions, 4 bolts and 4 washers. So let me show you how to assemble this. First we're going to assemble this on the crossbar, the plates and the crossbar. Okay. So we're going to remove the bolts that came in with the rod and put the first plate inside, and take the second plate. Okay. Don't tighten this completely, you can tighten it at the end after everything has been installed. And this one also goes in. So next you need to remove this handlebar cover. Now remove 2 bolts at a time. Before that, safety precaution, cover your tank and headlight area and everything, the meter and all, with a cloth, so that just in case something falls off, it doesn't damage, because these are all metal parts and it should not damage any of your color or your TFT screen or something. So I'll just continue removing the 2 bolts. I'm going to do it 2 bolts at a time. I won't remove both the bolts. I won't remove all the 4 bolts in one shot. It will be 2 by 2. You don't need to use these bolts again because Zana has provided a set of 2 bolts. Now these washers, these razors that they have given, you need to put them here. Okay, they sit in pretty well over here. Take the mount. Okay, take one of the bolts and put it in here. This won't affect any of your handlebar razors or anything if you have installed that too. You can stay worry free. It won't interfere with those. Okay. So once this is in place, I'll slightly tighten one of the bolts. Okay. You can loosen them again later. These are much bigger bolts than the stock ones. I'm tightening this back because the handle should not fall off. I should not twist. Okay, so next I'm going to remove these two. You can turn this up because this is not fully tightened. That's the reason I told you, don't tighten everything completely. So removing the third bolt now. Okay. And the fourth one. So next we're going to put the extensions over here too. Bend this one up. Sorry for that. Put this up here. Remember not to touch the bike, not to touch the handlebar at this stage, else the position of the handlebar is going to change. Okay. And finally we'll put the bolts from top. And here's the fourth bolt. So the installation is complete for one side. Now if you're going to use tank bag over here, there's going to be a bit of hindrance, so you can move it around and push this on the other side, the rod on the other side. In a bit I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so for one way you can put it in this way, and the phone mount can, okay, the phone mount will come here and it won't obstruct your view completely at the bike. You can even put the GPS, the phone like this. If you're using maps and all, you can keep the phone like this, so again it doesn't block there. But just in case if you got a time bag here, it's going to obstruct. So let me just quickly change the setting and show it to you how to move it to the other side. So I've removed the complete setup again, and remember, while removing, keep the one nut in this place so that the handle doesn't move, the handlebar doesn't move. Okay, and just turn this around. Okay, just turn this around. Okay, and I'm going to install it ahead. So tighten this bolt first so that the handle doesn't move. Remove the second bolt. Handle moved. No worries, I'll do the handle setup also. I'll make sure I don't move it further. Quickly put the spacer in place. And tighten it. Before tightening it completely, shift your handle back to its original position and lock one of the nuts. Pick the second two extensions and put the bolts, and you will be done. So now all four bolts are in place, and tighten them in a cross fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So guys, the complete setup is done, and yes, as I told you earlier, this, if you put the bar here, it is going to obstruct the front meter, but I'm fine with that because I need to put a tank bag here. So as per your convenience, you can keep on changing the position or the location of this bar. So if you guys have any questions regarding this setup, please let me know. Put it in the comments. I'll leave a link to purchase the GPS mount from Zana's website. I'll leave a link to the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.